the risk of doing too many unboxing videos. Here's one for memory. It's basically DDR5 6000 with the CL32 latency, and then it's 38, 38, 96. So not great after the 32, but I'm trying to get something that's not going to hold up the CPU while not breaking the budget too badly. Just have a quick look at the sizes. What are we getting here? Okay, piece of cardboard. Let's see. Okay, some stuff. Don't mix memory kits. Blah blah blah. Memory kits. Memory kits. Okay, use the memory as a kit, and you get a sticker. And what size? Mostly just for the heatsink size. Yeah. And again, in case you're wondering, it's very low chance of static electricity here because it is very humid. Well over 55. Okay, so they're about 6 mils thick. Let's just work out exactly how thick they are. 5, 6, I'd say about 7 mils thick, in case you're wondering. They're not very high profile. You can see the heatsink barely gets above at the end of the PCB there. So we're not talking very much at all. Less than 35 millimeters, I'd say about just under 34, in fact, 33 and a half. Heatsink, matte black, looks nice. We'll give them a go and find out what they can do. It will depend very much on your motherboard as well as your CPU to a degree, not just the quality of the DIMMs that you've managed to get your hands on. Entire package weighs, let's just do it that way, 121 for shipping purposes. You can see that's what, 22 centimeters. It's about the width of a sheet of A4 paper by 14 centimeters. Cool. Most important thing is, how does it work? I didn't want to do it with the rest of the stuff because you might buy this RAM and use it in a different motherboard or with a different CPU, so what's the point of doing everything all in one video? I'll obviously put this in a computer and that'll be in the build video how it works. Hope that helps.